This is the way my wife got me eating on keto. Get up early, cook before she comes in, and then clean up so she have a clean kitchen to go into. And this is what I was telling you about the plates that she threw away. Look what I have to eat with now. A steak in a bowl. Potatoes in a bowl. Not one bowl, 2 bowls. This is the first for me. So, talk to you later. Time to eat. Well, this is the way my wife got me eating. Steak in the bowl. Potatoes in a bowl. Coffee, okay, it's in a glass cup. I like that. But I have to get up early to cook my breakfast because it's not keto, and get it done before she gets up. And Victor, my grandbaby, gonna eat with me. Hi, Amaya. Say hi. Say cheese. Say cheese. She's not talking. And that's my oldest son. I gotta go. Bye.
Okay. I want to show you. Let me put this away first. Now, here's the kitchen after I'm done. Ta-da! There's my coffee. There's Amaya. 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 And then Papa. Where's Papa? Papa. And here is the kitchen. Ta-da! Cleaned. I won't show you the other side. I cleaned up today. Look at him. Now he brought the grandbaby in on it. Look at this.
Say, want a piece, Grandma? Give Grandma a piece. Give Grandma a piece.
No.
Give Grandma a piece.
No. No, no.
Good girl.
Is it good? Okay, good. All right. This was my blood sugar and my ketone readings from this morning, 107 fasting and 1.1 ketones. And here's my lovely steak that I had. And I also had it with a large salad in that bowl and a cup of coffee. Okay. I wasn't thinking. This is for Amaya and I. This is that 8-inch bowl. I guess I have to buy some plates.